What we have here, guys, is we want to prove the moivres theorem. The moivres theorem states that cos theta plus I sine theta to the power of n equals cos n theta plus I sine n theta for n element n, all n element n. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write down P of n colon is cos theta plus I sine theta to the power of n equals cos n theta plus I sine n theta. That's present in your, it'll give you that anyway, and it's also present in your tables. Now, step 1, anybody remember step 1?
Test P of 1.
Test P of 1. So, P of 1 equals cos theta plus I sine theta to the power of 1 equals cos 1 theta plus I sine 1 theta, and what you're going to get is cos theta plus I sine theta equals cos theta, because 1 theta is theta, I sine theta. Then you say LHS equals RHS, true for P of 1. Now, what you're going to do next is step 2.
Assume true for P of K.
Assume true for P of K. And to assume true for P of K, you just rewrite the original except replace n with k. Cos k theta plus I sine k theta. Everybody happy enough with that? Okay, step 3. Prove true for P of k plus 1. Okay, so we're going to get cos theta plus I sine theta to the power of k plus 1 equals cos k plus 1 theta plus I sine k plus 1 theta. Okay, I'm going to isolate the left hand side of the equation, and I just want to run it over something like this. If I have x to the power k plus 1, that's the same thing as xk by x1. Connor. So what we're going to do is this: cos theta plus I sine theta to the power of k, isn't it? Yeah. And then it's going to be cos theta plus I sine theta to the power of 1. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to replace with anybody? Huh? P of k. So we're going to replace that. This part here is the same as this one here. This one here is the same as this one here. So we're going to have cos k theta plus I sine k theta equals cos theta plus I sine theta. Now, upon looking at that, what can we do next, guys? Multiply out, yeah? So we're going to have cos k theta. That's it. There's going to be a cos theta. We're going to have I times cos k theta sine theta. What's the next part after that? I'll underline it in green. Anybody?
I
sine
Cos theta. And then finally plus I squared sine k theta sine theta. Huh? It will minus. Now, what Patrick said there is true. You can just rub this out, put a minus. There's two distinct groups here. Okay? Group number 1 is this, guys, is anything that has I in it, the imaginary section. Oh, sorry, that doesn't have sorry, that's real. The imaginary section is these two here, and the real section I'm going to underline in blue. So I'm going to put the real section beside yours, so it's going to be cos k theta, minus sine k theta, sine theta, and then the other part I'm going to put in green is going to be which way will I do this? We'll have sine leading cos or cos leading sine.
We already have cos leading sine.
Sorry?
Sine.
Yeah, I already have sine. So sine A cos B, cos A sine B. I'm going to do it this way, guys, if you don't mind. I'm going to do I brackets sine k theta, cos theta, and that's going to be plus cos k theta, sine theta, and that's going to come very apparent why in a second. Okay. Now, what I want you guys to look at is this. There's two trigonometry rules, and I'm about to put them into a box here. Okay, and you're gonna have to know the two of these to do these questions. The first trigonometry rule is this. It's in your tables. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Okay. Second one, sine A plus B is sine A cos B, and then that's going to be plus cos A sine B. Now look at this, guys. That can be A, that can be B, that can be A, that can be B, that's A, that's B, that's A, that's B. Now look what happens if we apply these rules. It's going to turn into cos A plus B is going to be k theta plus theta, because that's A plus B. The other one's going to be I times, in green, guys, sine k theta plus theta. Factorize out the theta. Cos k plus 1 theta plus I sine k plus 1 times theta. And now the left hand side equals the right hand side. And then finally the last part that's very important. So P, I'll just do it formally this time. K plus 1. What's that line again? Is true if P of K is true. Hence, remember to spell principle properly.
Yeah. Oh, it is.
P of N is true.